This right here is the Quest 3, and this is obviously the Quest 3S, the little baby. Basically a Quest 2 with the Quest 3 component. And what a lot of you have been wondering is, can the Quest 3S give you full body tracking like the Quest 3 can? And by full body tracking, I say that in air quotes because it's technically half body tracking with half body estimation, meaning these sensors on here actually track your arms, shoulders, chest, and I believe hip as well, but they do not track your feet. Your feet and legs are actually estimated to follow what your upper body does. So kind of like what Standable does. Currently, this is only done through virtual desktop. I'm gonna put these down. I see you, Zuck. Okay. So at this moment in time, it's currently available through virtual desktop. All you have to do is download it on the Quest headset. But if you haven't got a Quest headset yet and you wanna get into VR and full body tracking with estimation or even mixed tracking with other applications, I'd highly suggest actually using my affiliate. I'd highly suggest you use my affiliate code down below if you don't have a Quest 3S to get the Quest 3S, so you can also get $30 Quest cash that you can actually use to purchase virtual desktop. Links are down in the description below, and honestly, let's get into the process. Seriously though, use that link in the description. All right, so once you open up virtual desktop, obviously you're gonna see it like this. All you gotta make sure is you download the streaming app. I have the full tutorial on how I did that up here. Basically, you just install it to your computer and give it network access. From there, you go to virtual desktop on the actual Quest. The installer is free on the PC, by the way. You don't have to pay for the PC one. It's just an installer for the streamer app. Then you go into settings right here. And what you're gonna see right here is streaming. You go to streaming, and then it's right here, Beans. Let me bring it real close so you guys don't miss it. Right here. Forward tracking data to PC requires restart of game and Steam VR. And right here, you click emulate Steam VR Vive trackers. That's it. From there, to make sure everything's running smoothly, you go into games. And from games, you should see that little game called VR Chat. And you roll it. From there, it's going to open up.
Hey there. I don't want to go full Karen on you, but it looks like your computer is not wired to your router with an Ethernet cable.
Who knew virtual desktop was such a Karen? Jesus. Here I am. There you are. Here we are. I'm going to go open up a personal mirror. Boom, boom. Oh, boom. I'm Batman. Oh, yeah, I forgot. That was for Batman Arkham Shadow. So for this avatar, I'm going to be Batman. All right. So as you can see, I'm looking a little stiff. That's classic. Open up right here and then click calibrate FBT. That means full body tracking. And then you want to make sure you hit the gnarliest T pose. Align your trackers as properly as you can. Click. And then here we are. Full body tracking. Full body tracking as in terms of upper body tracking. As you can see, it's way more fluid. But this right here is actually tracking through the headset. As you can see, I have my elbows. I have my shoulders, my chest. As you can see, my chest is a lot more focused in. It doesn't really move with my entire body. Check it out. I mean, I'm just gonna literally, if I disable it, just a quick demonstration right here. I'll show you properly. I'm just gonna turn off body tracking. Look at this. Again, same thing. All right, so as you can see, we're in full body here, and like you saw with Batman, we're a lot more fluid-like. You see me when I lean back? It almost makes it look like what your feet would actually be doing. I mean, my feet are actually doing that. If I do anything dynamic with my legs, it's not gonna track it, obviously. But the parts that it estimates, it does mighty fine. Like, I'm saying mighty fine. Like, even when I pause in motion for some of these steps, it really follows appropriately. When I turn side, like even crouching side to side. Also, I wanted to mention that now, because you get this full body tracking, your head is stationary, so it no longer follows your entire body how it does just without using virtual desktop. And actually, speaking about headsets, this portion of the video is sponsored by Kiwi Design. Yo, let's bring it to the IRL bean to show you what's up. Alright, so big thank you to Kiwi Design for sponsoring this portion of the video. I'm really thankful for them. I've used their VR products many times before, even before they sponsored me. I picked them up on Amazon Prime. They said, hey, yo, what's up? And they sponsored me. Let's just open this baby up. I mean, ta-da. Smells like microplastics in a new car. So unboxing is very straightforward. Not much in here, but that's cool. They're probably carbon neutral, maybe, I don't know. All right, so this is their K4 boost strap right here on the Quest 3. Honestly, I really do dig it. It's very nice and streamlined. Yeah, no, this feels good. All right, and then we also get this one here, the H4 boost. I'm assuming for Halo, I don't know. It's the Halo strap. Boom. Nothing in here. Storage. Now, this is dope. Let's put this one on the Quest 3. Don't mind the hair. So there's a really cool slider here that allows you to move this part up or down, depending on how big your forehead is. I feel like I'm ready to play some Beat Saber. Yeah. This is actually a lot more comfortable in my opinion because it's distributed to this up here. And then of course right here we have the G4 Pro controllers. I'm assuming this is going to be very similar to the other controller grips that I got before. Okay, beautiful. Ooh, wow. All right, so they come with these plastic replacements, and all you do is do that. Well, actually before that, and insert it like that. This ensures easy battery removal. Just slide around in. Yeah, then you got your upgraded controller. All right, so that was the H4 boost, the K4 boost, and the G4 Pro controllers. You can use the Amazon listings in the description down below with my Amazon storefront, or you can use my affiliated links directly towards them to get a 5% discount. Thank you, Kiwi Design, for sponsoring this portion of the video.
4.0 had a change that makes it more realistic by default.
You know, it's not perfect, but holy shit. For the Quest 3 and you want to walk around with your full body friends, you can literally, look, I'll step more back. You can just walk around. Like, you can literally just, like, depending on how much space you have and your boundary, if it's huge enough, you can literally walk with your full body friends and be chilling. And you know what's cool? What do people most of the time do when they're playing VR? This thing is called a chair. All right. And what they do with full body is this. This is what people do in VR chat. I am not joking. You think I'm Do you think I'm joking? Do you actually think I'm joking? I wish I was. No, I'm really not. This right here, guys, is full body tracking at its finest. So, yeah, if you have virtual desktop in the Quest 3S, you can now have hand tracking and full body estimation, essentially. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper. You can play rock, paper, scissors, dude. Wow. And you look at that. You can open, close. Dynamic. That is cool, VR chat. You cooked. Let's get my controllers back, though. All right, let's see if laying down works. Okay, well, this is actually really cool. This can work too, so you can chill with your full body friends laying down like this. Obviously, legs don't track. Crisscross applesauce doesn't work. How does it look laying down? This is what happens when you lay down. Your legs don't fully go down. I mean, look how good that looks, guys. This is literally all running on a $300 headset that you can get with the promotional link that I have, where you can get virtual desktop for free now, basically, using the promo code. Now, you can literally get VR chat, get your account set up, and now have full body tracking with quotations, because it's actually only upward tracking and estimated legs. I don't know how many times I have to repeat that, because then people in the comments are like, oh my god, you totally lied. It's not full body tracking. You're a freaking liar. I'm not. That's what Meta called it, I think. Full body something estimation. I don't know the name. I call it full body tracking because it's almost there. You know what I'm saying? It's basically full body tracking. I mean, look at it. Whoo. See, that's the wall right there. And yeah, just like that. Yeah, full body tracking. Why is this dealer taking a piss? I've been standing here. I need my things. Why is this dealer taking a piss? Oh!